Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Alexander Silva, co-founder of awigdesigns.com. And today we're going to talk about what is hosting and why do you need it. I'm going to simplify it. A lot of clients ask me what it is. So let's get right into it. All right. So web hosting basically is usually explained relatively technical. Usually it's about email, software, website, files, database, services, and backups. Now, I feel like this is a little bit hard to understand, so I'm going to explain it this way. All right. So web hosting is basically a digital version. Depending, you might have a brick and mortar store or not. It's basically just a digital version of your store, right? If you only have an online store, then just bear with me. You'll understand in a second. Okay. So what you're seeing now in front of you is Blockbuster before it opened, right? It was just an empty vessel. It was just an empty room, right? So when you purchase hosting, you should think about it this way, right? You're purchasing a place online that's empty, a place where you can store your products, your images, your policies. It's basically a place of business online that allows you to do business, right? Your employees, your help desk, customer service, etc. What's another thing that they can do once you actually have your store live? They can purchase, right? They can, get the best offers and sales that you're offering that week. And as you see, like in the picture, there's a lot of upsells around the register, right? There's ice cream, there's candy. This is basically the digital or the physical version of your store, right? It's somewhere where they can go, they can get to know your business, get to know your products, get to know your services, employees, etc., and make up their mind if they want to do business with you, right? So the way that I like to explain to my clients is, the bright side of owning a online store instead of a physical store is that, this store in front of you, Blockbuster, maybe a couple $1,000s in rent is what they were spending to be able to have this store just up, right? So people can walk in. An online store relatively is cheap. It's around $39.99. And now you're available to the world, right? People can pay you. They can, cash out and check out for your services or whatever that might be. So relatively affordable than actually opening up a brick and mortars. The other upside is that you're available to the world. So Blockbuster, the one that we have in this image here, was basically available locally, right? So I'm assuming that a lot of the people who visited this Blockbuster lived locally or, knew about this Blockbuster location, and it was very nearby and convenient for them. On the other hand, with a website, you're available to the masses, right? So you can sell to people in Europe, to South America, depending obviously on what, services you provide or products you provide. You're still able to reach a lot more people than you were to have a brick and mortars on the corner of, Sam Ave, for example, right? So the number two big benefits of having hosting is, number one, you're able to reach the masses, right? For $40 a month, it's practically free compared to a brick and mortars where you would have to pay thousands a month and you can only reach that neighborhood audience, right? Number two big upsell on this is that you're able to have someone, think of your website as an employee that's working for you 24/7 around the clock. All right. The difference with a brick and mortars is that after a certain hour, usually it closes, right? So you can't keep doing business, right, after hours. With a website, you can have people opting in, checking in, filling out your form, requesting for a service, or even purchasing your product, whether that's digital or physical. So those are the major two benefits of having a website compared to a brick and mortars. Now, this question comes, relatively familiar with a lot of business owners that don't have websites, and that's fine. That's why I'm creating this video, just so you can understand what it means to have a website and the big benefits of actually having a digital employee working for you 24/7 around the clock. Now, if that sounds exciting to you and you do want to open up your new online store, I have a link in the description where you can purchase your hosting. I believe the basic plan is $39.99. Try it out. It comes with business emails. It comes with web updates. It comes with analytics, all the works. it's really, I haven't seen anyone else offer this. GoDaddy doesn't offer this. Shopify, Wix, no one else offers this. So make sure you click on that link below, open up your hosting, and someone will get in contact with you. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions that you might have, and stick around for the next one. Me signing out. All right, now, as promised, if you want to see how we took our client from 0 to 6 figures a month with their startup, make sure you click on this next video and also subscribe for life-changing business content. See you on the next one.